Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make water droplet art. First, you need a cup of water. You need a watercolor palette, and of course, you need a paintbrush. So first you have your paintbrush in here. You put as many droplets as you want. I'm going to put 9. Okay, now I'm going to pick out some colors. I'm going to pick out a blue, and then once you pick out your first color, you take it and then you put it in one of the little droplets, and then you see it changes color. Then do that with another one, and as many as once as you want. And then you choose another color. You can choose whatever colors you want, and you can do more than what I'm doing. This is just how I'm doing it. The turn shows like a blue-green. And I'm going to put it into a droplet, change its color. Another one, change its color. Now, another one, change its color. Now I'm going to pick out one more last color. I'm going to do a purple. Now I'm going to put it into a droplet, change its color, change its color, change its color. Now I have a few tiny ones, so I'm going to fill that in with the green, aka this green. There. And that's all I have for you today. Bye.